Hello, and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're absolutely delighted to have you with us today. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders is a leading design and construction firm specializing in transforming homes throughout Southern California, with a particular passion for the unique character and breathtaking beauty of the Pacific Palisades. We're deeply rooted in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and our unwavering commitment is to share our expertise, guiding you through every step of the remodeling process and helping you create a home that reflects your personal style while prioritizing safety, comfort, and long-term value. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the art and science of remodeling homes in Pacific Palisades, striking the perfect balance between enhancing their architectural appeal and fortifying them against the ever-present threat of wildfires. We'll uncover the secrets to seamlessly integrating fire-resistant materials, defensible space strategies, and modern design elements, creating homes that are not only beautiful and luxurious, but also exceptionally safe and resilient. We will be going through the planning, permits, design, and what kind of strategies and styles fit best in Pacific Palisades. In this extended and comprehensive video, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide to remodeling your Pacific Palisades home, covering every facet from initial planning and design to navigating the complex permitting process, selecting fire-resistant materials, implementing defensible space strategies, and choosing the perfect finishes. We'll showcase inspiring before and after transformations, highlighting how to seamlessly blend modern amenities with the classic architectural styles that define the Palisades. We'll also delve into the latest trends in remodeling, offering practical tips and advice on how to create a home that reflects your unique lifestyle while maximizing its value and resilience. And of course, we'll address the critical imperative of wildfire preparedness, drawing upon lessons learned from recent events to emphasize the importance of building with safety and long-term sustainability in mind. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel, a bathroom renovation, a whole house transformation, or simply looking to enhance your home's fire resistance, this video will empower you to create a sanctuary that is both beautiful and secure. Before we start the transformation, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of exclusive content, including behind-the-scenes project tours, interviews with leading architects and designers, and early access to our latest insights on remodeling trends and fire safety strategies in Southern California. Your support fuels our passion and enables us to continue sharing our expertise with homeowners and builders alike. Why is remodeling so important in Pacific Palisades, and why is it crucial to prioritize fire resilience in every remodeling project? It's because many homes in the area were built decades ago and may not meet current building codes or incorporate the latest advancements in fire safety technology. Remodeling provides an opportunity to not only update the aesthetics and functionality of your home, but also to enhance its structural integrity, energy efficiency, and most importantly, its ability to withstand the threat of wildfires. Here's a closer look at the key reasons why remodeling is so beneficial in Pacific Palisades. Updating outdated styles. Many homes in the Palisades were built in the mid-20th century and may feature outdated architectural styles and design elements. Remodeling allows you to bring your home into the 21st century and reflect your personal taste, improving functionality. Remodeling can improve the functionality of your home by reconfiguring layouts, adding storage space, and creating more efficient kitchens and bathrooms. Increasing home value. A well-executed remodel can significantly increase the value of your home, making it a smart investment for the future. Enhancing energy efficiency. Remodeling provides an opportunity to upgrade your home's energy efficiency with new windows, insulation, and energy-efficient appliances. Prioritizing fire safety. Remodeling allows you to incorporate fire-resistant materials, defensible space strategies, and other fire safety measures to protect your home and family. Seismic retrofitting. Many older homes in the Palisades may not be adequately prepared for earthquakes. This may be a great time to retrofit for this. Before you pick up a hammer or start tearing down walls, it's essential to establish a clear vision for your remodeling project. This phase involves needs assessment. To start, think of what you and your family need. How do you use your home and living spaces? What is most important to your family? Will you renovate certain areas or the whole place? Style. Choosing a theme or style to what you would like to accomplish for your home. Should the renovation focus on modernity and sleek looks or have a more comfy setting? Gather ideas and inspiration. Consider budget. Be realistic about what your vision can be and understand the costs. Take into account any possible issues that may arise. Professionals. It may be challenging for first-timers, so we would recommend getting professionals to assist. Here are some benefits. Architects will help bring it together and create the vision of your dreams. Contractors help ensure the build is being done safely and to code. They can also make everything easier to keep track of. Pacific Palisades has many rules and regulations, so having these documents in order is important. Hire an expediter. A permit expediter knows exactly what the city wants and may have a relationship to get things done at a much smoother and faster pace. Their knowledge will help everything get done quicker. Check it all. Double-check everything and triple-check. The slightest error can lead to massive delays. Plan thoroughly. Having engineers on the design team is a great way to increase your chances of a good application. They are also able to be on call if changes or questions arise. It is time to now turn to the interiors. All homes must have their own personalities, and these design tactics are great. Increase the flow of the home. Create open spaces so families can easily move about. It also makes the area more open and feel more fresh. It is important to select colors, textures, and lighting to all contribute to the home. They should blend seamlessly. Focus on a balance of style and practicality. With luxury homes, the focus is always style and beauty over functionality. Update your tech. Technology is constantly improving, so having the best technology is also important. After every new fire, people have to rebuild. Why not take the time to improve your chances? Make these design choices. Siding made of stucco. Stucco is great to protect from heat and embers. Fire-resistant decks. Invest in non-wood decks to ensure maximum fire protection. Dual-pane windows. A lot of heat will be blocked out by having these windows. This will prevent the home from shattering. Ventilation is important, but use it smartly. Install smart vents to better control the flow of the embers and airflow. Creating an appeal in landscape is a great way to add to your beautiful home. Defensible space. Create 30 feet or more buffer of space to help from the spread of fire. A large rock yard can do great things. Landscape strategically. Create an isolated greenery to take more fuel away from spreading. Choose plants carefully. Get high water storage plants to prevent fire from quickly spreading. Remodeling is a great way to not only make the home yours again, but to add value for you and your family. At Oceanfront Builders, we understand the importance of balancing luxury, functionality, and fire safety in Pacific Palisades homes. If you have any questions or you are interested in pursuing our services, call us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps us make more amazing content for you from Oceanfront Builders.